Okay, we're calling this the Crusty Nova. 65, two-door hardtop, found in a field. Making a small tire, 275 60/15 drag radial car. Full cage from front to back, mini tubbed, Smith Racecraft, split monos, S&W roll cage, tucked up high. You can see the only thing you're going to be able to see is that one sidebar from when it's on the ground. Frame connectors, we're not done yet. We're still fabbing bars. These plates are the front spring cup holders. And then you can see the backs back there. Go back here. These are just kind of tacked in right now. Not sure if you can see. Everything all mini tubbed, self-made, nothing bought, mini tub. Running sliders back. You see the adjustable homemade buckets in the front. Still need to cut out that stiffener I had in there when I welded them up. Haven't bought a panel yet. Everything's been made. I've made everything. Patch panels there. Rocker. Made that. A little patch there. She was a rust bucket. All the rust was cut out, patched back in. Smooth firewall. You can follow the build on Steve's Nova site. 65 Crusty Nova small tire build. And it's also under the same name under LS1 Tech on their website. I've got a build on there as well.